Tayo ng awarding. Maraming salamat po.
Mag-awarding na guys. Ayan yung mga ano nila. Mga trophy. Yung pipinda. Laki. Ganda oh.
Ayan, last call po sa lahat po ng teams na nandito po ngayon. Punta na po tayo, mag-send na po tayo ng ating awarding. Maraming salamat po.
Prepare na po. Oh, shout out kay Ron. Hello pa. Kay Romel. Ayan. Oh. Ayan yung mga committee at saka si Topper. Ayan. Ayan yung mga players.
Punta na po kayo dito sa ating court. To all teams. Punta na po kayo dito. Saan na po tayo ng ating awarding? Wala po. Sige po. Ito po ang sound ng girls sa ito po ang boys. Team Dagatan, Team Nagberlan, Team Southex, Team STMS, and Team Kalawan, and Team Berniwa. Punta na po kayo dito. Maraming salamat po. Upo po kayo doon. Upo na po. Ito po ang Team Kalawan sa ito po. Team Southex. Ito po ang Team Southex. Yeah, we would like to acknowledge Teacher Chris and Kuya Jello. Ito po tayo sa unahan. And Teacher Seni. Yeah. Si Kuya Team Nagkarlan and Team Saka SNS. Ito na kayo ba ito? Pumula kayo. Upo. Dito po ang Team Tagatan. Kayo? Adjust po kayo natin dito. Adjust po. Ayan. Yung SMS. Ayan. Ayan. Ito po ang South Lakes. Adjust po kayo natin dito. Ayan. Ayan. Team South Lakes. Team Berniwa po. Ayan. Team Berniwa. At saka po Team Dagatan and Team Saman and Team SMX. Adjust po kayo ng konti lang po. Ayan. Ayan. For our Medical 6 Honorating Girls Division from Team Southex, Rosales. Kaya kalapang po pagkuhan ko palapag po. Medical 6 po. Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa ating meeting number 6 from South Lakes. From Team South Lakes again. Palakpak po, magpupo tayo. Yan. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations po. From Team South Lakes again, Remy Yoke. From Team SMS, Montes. Bea Montes. And from Team SMS, De Lima. Ayan, pwede pa kayo ba? And for Team Nagalan, Ramante. Ayan, hindi ko na po nakakala po ang mga aspirants. Ayan. Okay na? Ayan. And now, present po natin ang ating first best outside spiker. From Team Nagalan, Camille Montiel. And our second best outside spiker from Team Nagalan, Asaka. Okay, our first best middle blocker from SMS. Hello. From SMS, Aliana Elena. And our second best middle blocker from SMS, Liana Avenion. And for our best opposite spiker from Team SMS, Raisi Kalina. And for our best center from Nagalan, Brabante. Ayan. For our best libero from Team South Lakes, Stella Torre. Ayan, congratulations from Team South Lakes, best libero, Stella Torre. And now our season's MVP, Nagalan from Nagalan, Camille Montiel. Congratulations. And our finals MVP, Camille Montiel. Congratulations from Team Nagalan.
Daming award to.
Congratulations from Team Nagalan, Camille Montiel. Ayan. Para naman po sa ating boys under 18. First, medical 6 from Tagata, Jordan Paulo Alvarino.
Ay, Shelo oh.
From Team SMS, JC Punsala. Followed by John Ro Anano. John Ro Anano. From Team Barnes. And from Team Japan Surplus, Adri Suligin. Okay na po na ulit sa medical 6, diretso po tayo. Medical 6, diretso po. Thank you po. And Big Four, Pocus, from Team Berniwa. And to complete our medical 6, John Lord Patas. Yeah, congratulations. And now, presenting our first best outside spiker. Lahat po ng medical 6, buto po kayo ulit dito para sa ating photo-op. Boys and girls, maraming salamat po. Our medical 6, boys and girls division, maraming salamat po. Boys po muna, yan, boys po muna, and then followed by our girls. Alright, congratulations sa ating medical 6. Boys division. Yan, okay po. Our medical 6, girls division. Punta po kami doon. Maraming salamat po. Punta po ang ating medical 6. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa ating medical 6. And now presenting our best outside spiker, Harley D. Fernandez from Tagapan. Our first left outside spiker, Harley D. Fernandez. Congratulations. Tagapan. And for our second best outside spiker from Team Berniwa, JM Brazil. Yeah, sweet girl with big dreams. Baby girl. Yeah. Thank you po. And our first best middle blocker from Team Berniwa, Justin Guaderno. First middle, Justin Guaderno. And our second best middle blocker, ipinigil ko lang ito, Constantino from Japan Surplus. From Japan Surplus. Congratulations. And now, for our best opposite spiker from Team Berniwa, Mami Otoño. Congratulations. And now, for our best center from STNS, Jasper Chunla. Congratulations, Jasper Chunla. AKA Savannah. And our best libero, G. Mirabuenos. From Berniwa, G. Mirabuenos. And now presenting our season's MVP, Punta naman tayo sa ating team award. Our third runner-up, Girls Division from Navy Dragon. Wala po sila. So, dito lang po ng Navy Dragon from Los Baños. And now, our second runner-up from Team Southmix. Congratulations po. Punta po natin ang players. Ayan. Oh, with 1,000, boy Charles Emmy, our finals MVP. Ayan. Congratulations, Southmix. Our second runner-up. Okay. Yeah, congratulations, Southmix, Team Southmix. And now presenting our first runner-up, Team SMS. Palakpak po tayo, palakpak. Team Secrets Montessori School. Yeah, pagkakulang sa mga. Pagkakulang sa ating congratulations po, Team Secrets, sa mga second runner-up. Ayan, iba po, pwede po ba? Ayan, sige po, kaya nga, pamana, yung dalawa. Ayan. Para mabilis pa ang case. Okay. Congratulations po, Team SMS, and now presenting our Under 18 Bubble Girls Division and Champion from Team Nagkarlang. Congratulations po sa ating Team Nagkarlang. Ayan, congratulations po sa ating team Nagkarlang. Congratulations po ulit. Maraming salamat po. And now, presenting sa ating Under 18 Boys Division, our third runner-up from Team SMS. Wala pa po tayo. Ayan. From Team SMS, third runner-up. Ayan po, third runner-up. Our third runner-up. Yes po, third runner-up. Up. Ayan po, third runner-up. Yeah. Okay, congratulations po sa ating SMS for being third runner-up. Okay, now presenting our second runner-up from Team Kalawan Japan Circus. Congratulations po, palakpak po tayo. Pasok po kayo. Pinaginapan niyo po yan. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, wala sa ating team Kalawan. At sa coaches na maraming salamat po. runner-up under 18 Amber from Team Tagata. Congratulations po from Team Tagata. Sige po, mga president. Coach, sama po kayo, coach. Sama po. Wait lang, wait lang. Sama na coach niya. Ayan. Pupusin na po natin sa page. Our first under 18 volleyball from Team Berlima. Congratulations po. Ating first 18 under volleyball. One under volleyball. Ayan, and team manager po. Ayan. Si manager po ang team manager. Ayan, congratulations po kay Jelly. Ito po sila po namin sa page po. Congratulations po sa ating lahat. With the present school academics, academic head, sir, please. Good honor po sa ating closing ito. Sasabihin po. Okay po muna lahat.
Coach Ron, Coach Chris,